Go to pixlr.com/e, create new, name it, create, file, open image, choose your image, add image layer, grab those bars at the top and resize it. Take the cut tool, drag around the picture until you get it to how you want to crop it. Click the text tool, add, type the name in here. If you want to change the color, go to the top. I just clicked on the little blue. Click on whatever color you want it to be. If you want to make it bold, then you go up to the top, click bold, and then place it where you want it. Go back to File, Save, name it whatever you're going to name it, then download. If you're on a PC, click OK, Save As, and you're done.